you want to know how to make any and every affirmation work for you, this is the video you're going to want to watch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Narley. I'm a mindset coach and hypnotherapist. I am here to help you master your mindset, overcome your limiting beliefs, and elevate your life. If you would like one-to-one coaching with me to get to the bottom of your specific issue, you can sign up for one-to-one coaching in the description below. So the thing with affirmations, the reason why sometimes they just don't feel good is because your subconscious mind will never make you a liar. So if you have a subconscious belief that you're broke and will never be successful, when you start to affirm things that I am successful, I am wealthy, your subconscious mind is going to have a bit of a tug of war with you. So that's why putting on these training wheels can really help sink the affirmation in and make it more believable. And once you start to believe something, you start to vibrate on that frequency and call it into your life. So if you put these 3 phases in front of any affirmation, your subconscious mind will be more receptive to it and it will instantly create the vibration you're looking for. So these are what I call affirmation training wheels. Sometimes it's hard for our minds to accept these affirmations. It might feel far-fetched because you're looking at your reality and you're like, it just doesn't match, right? So the first one is I'm in the process of, right? So let's use the affirmation, I am good enough. So for this, you would literally say, if you really truly felt it, right, you'd say, I'm good enough, and it would sink in and, it should be enough, right? But if it doesn't quite sit, then you can put an affirmation training wheel on the affirmation and make it more, digestible, if you will. So the first one is I'm in the process of, right? So I am in the process of believing I'm good enough, right? That feels more real, right? Because we're always in the process. We're always transitioning. We're always in the process of becoming, the best version of ourselves. So saying I'm in the process of becoming rich. I'm in the process of being abundant. I'm in the process of loving myself, right? That's an affirmation, and you can use that affirmation repetitively until you're ready to take off the training wheels and say, I love myself, or I am enough, right? The second phrase you could use is, I now allow. So I now allow myself to feel good enough. I now allow myself to be abundant. I now allow myself to call in better relationships, right? And mind you, affirmations don't have to be these super long sentences. They can just be really short and to the point, like I am love or I am loved, right? But if the affirmation isn't really sticking, then you put an affirmation training wheel on it. Last but not least, the third phrase is I am open to. So for example, I am open to being good enough. I am open to loving myself. And I hope you guys can see that just adding these few little training wheels here and there can really make the affirmation more real and more enjoyable and more believable, right? Because you really want to feel what you're saying. You really want to get on that same vibration. So either I'm in the process of, I am now allowing, or I am open to. Let me know which one of those you love the most and which one you'll be using in your affirmations. I want to quickly express the importance of your words, okay? I want you to know and always remember, your words don't just describe your life, they define your life. The words that you speak and use every day will become the house that you live in. So I'm just going to talk about my experience with affirmations and some of the favorite things that I say and integrate into my life to really raise my vibration and manifest my dreams, okay? So I'm going to start off with the word thank you. Thank you is a prayer and an affirmation wrapped all into one. Gratitude honestly seals the deal with anything you're trying to bring into your life. Whatever you appreciate, appreciates, right? So when you wake up in the morning, when I wake up in the morning, the very first thing that I say is thank you. And I do some deep breathing and just feel grounded and grateful that I'm alive. Saying thank you can really just get you into that mindset of, not everything is bad in my life, and I'm thankful that I'm still here to make the changes I need to make. So thank you is an affirmation and a prayer, and you really want to thank the universe for the things that you're calling in, right? Own them. So thank you for this amazing career. Thank you, universe, for all of the abundance flowing into my life. You want to thank the universe before it arrives, so the universe knows that you're in an expectant vibration, right? What you expect usually tends to manifest, right? If you're expecting your life to be bad, that's what you're going to get. So thank you is my secret weapon. It's a really short affirmation and it goes a really long way. Next is the word yes. So I don't know where I got this from exactly. It was from a book or a video, but I just love this little game that you can play with yourself when you're just going about your daily life. And let's say you see something like that you really like a Corvette or a nice watch, or you see a couple that are really cute. In your mind, just say yes. Like, just affirm and vibrate on that energy of what you're seeing. If you see success, if you see love, if you see, you know, a little triumph, if you see kids, just say yes. And it sounds a little weird, but essentially what you're doing is vibrating on that, you know, you're calling in that vibration of whatever you're seeing and owning it, right? So I'm always saying yes when I see my friends, you know, do something different and push the needle forward. I'm always saying yes when I see people posting about their wins online. It doesn't need to be always something directly related to you, but it's also nice to say yes to what you see other people are experiencing, because what other people are experiencing means it can happen to you. I love my life, okay? So I love my life. This is an affirmation in the way that you are affirming that right now, right here, everything is good and you are totally in acceptance and loving it, right? So I really want you guys to take away that you create how you feel, okay? You create how you feel. If you feel like gold, your life is going to be golden, girl. If you feel like crap, your life is going to be crappy. Your feelings are attached to the thoughts and the words that you feel on a daily basis. Remember, your thoughts don't just describe your reality, they define your reality. So how's life, right? I love my life. Another tip that I love is to activate your heart chakra, right? When you're saying affirmations, maybe if you're in the shower, I like to do my affirmations with my morning routine. I just integrate it in. So when you want to activate your heart chakra, literally all you have to do is place one or both hands over your heart center, which is right in the middle of your chest. And you can say in your mind, if you want, that I am activating my heart chakra. Or just put your hand over your heart until you feel your heart's warmth kind of radiating in your hand, and just, you know, just feel your aliveness, feel your life vitality in your chest, right? And this kind of brings you down to center and brings you into this heart-based vibration. So when you put your hand over your heart, as you say, I love my life, it really does something. I don't know, try it, it's amazing. I mean, obviously not everything is going to be rainbows and sunshine, right? But with affirmations, what you're doing is you're taking control of your energy, you're taking control of your attention and your focus, and you're taking attention of creating the reality that you do want. Something you need to know is the law of attraction has the word action in it. So yes, you can affirm your life and say things, but you also need to act from that affirmation, right? So you can say, I am healthy. You can always say that, but you need to also take action from that affirmation and have healthy practices in your life, right? So don't forget, law of attraction has the word action in it. You cannot miss this, okay? But some people really do, like, I know for me, sometimes I really just do say things and it comes into my life and I'm like, Another great tip that you can implement today, if you want a little bit of homework, is to write a thank you letter to God, universe, the source, whatever you want to call it. So by writing a thank you letter, you are literally spelling, right? When you write with your hands, right, that's what spelling is. You're casting a spell, if you will, to the universe, and you're claiming it and you're manifesting it with the energy and the positivity from that pen alone. It's really, really amazing, right? So when you're writing a thank you letter to the universe, you want to write from the present tense. So for example, and I've done this before in the past, and I really love this. It's a great little exercise to get you in that feel-good vibration. So you can say, Dear universe, dear God, I just want to thank you so much for all of the money that has flown into my life, all of the money that has come to me easily and effortlessly. I want to thank you for the opportunities to advance my career. I want to thank you for the amazing friendships. I want to thank you for the abundant household and loving relationships. I want to thank you for the opportunities, right? And you want to literally act as if 6 months has passed from all of these amazing things coming into your life, and you're looking back and you're like, thank you, universe. Thank you for doing that for me. Thank you for bringing this into my life. This is another way to literally create your reality. So the reason why writing affirmations or saying affirmations in the present tense is because you always want to focus on the here and now. If you think about it, right, The Power of Now, Eckhart Tolle, I think I have it in my shelf there, amazing, amazing book, right? So essentially, we think about our future problems now. We think about our past now. We think about what we're going to eat tomorrow now, right? The power of now. All we truly have is this present moment, right? So the reason why you want to make your affirmations in the present moment is because you want to command it to come into your life now. And obviously there's a gestation period. It might not happen right away. You might not be a millionaire, let's say, right away. But when you keep affirming it and planting those seeds, the universe has no choice to manifest, right? The universe is always saying, the universe is literally, think of the universe as essentially a waiter at a cocktail party with, you know, a tray of goodies on its tray, right? And it's literally saying like hors d'oeuvres, manifestation, success. Like you have to tell the universe what you want and call it in, right? The universe is always saying yes to you. It is a friendly universe, right? So by affirming it into the power, affirming your affirmations and calling them in now, making them present tense, it just gives them that, you know, that more of a boost, essentially. I am healthy. Let's just say, instead of saying I am healthy, you can say I am now healthy. I am now appreciating the health of my life. I am now loving all the healthy options I have, right? So now just brings it more into the present moment. And also, if you want to, let's say, become a millionaire, instead of saying I will be a millionaire, you want to say I am now a millionaire. Okay, and with repetition, it'll sink into your subconscious mind. If you say I will be, well, then you'll always will be. If you say I want amazing friendships, then you'll always be wanting the amazing friendships, right? So change the I want to I have, right? Call it in now. Okay guys, that's the end of this video, and I really want to say I don't want you to just watch this video and go back to the way your life was. I want you to implement affirmations, say thank you, say I love you, affirm that you love your life, and put the training wheels on if you need to, okay? So all my love, until next time.